Welcome Backpack. This is Adbil from WolfSteel Buildings. I'm here with Anadela.
Hi guys, how are you?
In this video, we're going to be giving you guys 3 tips for the day of the pour. So what happens during the day of the pour and how can you be prepared for the day of the pour of your concrete slab or your foundation? So Anadela?
I think one of the things that this video is going to help you with is for you to know, but also to prepare your neighbors for. And those 3 things are making sure your driveway is clear, also being aware of how many vehicles are going to be in and out of your property or around your neighborhood, and last but not least is how much noise there is going on.
Awesome. Let's start with number 1. So clear your driveway. In this case, we have a simple 10 to 12 foot driveway to access to the slab we're pouring right now. So make sure it's all clear. There's access points, being able to move around. If you have cars, maybe park them somewhere else or inside your garage. And that's what our client did for us today. And it allowed us to freely be able to do our job and be able to make things happen.
And to go hand in hand with that and having a clear driveway is being aware of how many vehicles are going to be going in and out of your driveway, or not necessarily your driveway, but your area. Not only have we had, this is our 3rd concrete truck of the day, we still have another one coming. We also have the truck that has the pump, and also there's going to be about 5 to 10 people at your site pouring that concrete depending on the size of your building. And they do have different vehicles that'll be coming with that. All their materials, you should expect a big truck. If I'm not mistaken, we have another truck that's going to be pulling in here. So be eerie of that and let your neighbors know.
And number 3, it's going to be very noisy, okay? So right now it's October, it's a little bit colder. We can pour a little bit later. So we started this pour around 8 in the morning. But if it's in the summer in the Texas heat, sometimes we start at 6 in the morning, 5 in the morning. Sometimes we pour throughout midnight. So just kind of be aware that in the summer, it's really loud already in the morning. But even then, we started at 8. The pump truck was already here since like 7:30, already warming up gears. It was pretty loud, and right now it's kind of loud. So just be aware of that it's going to be noisy. Let your neighbors know. And that's how you can also be prepared for the day of the pour. Aside from that, I hope that these 3 tips help you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.